you struggling to control your child's chocolate cravings? Here are 10 effective tips to teach your child healthier eating habits while still enjoying their favorite treats. Welcome back to my channel and let's get started. Understanding the challenge. We all know that chocolate is a beloved treat. It's sweet, it's comforting, and it is so tempting. But as parents, we also want to make sure that our kids are eating a variety of nutritious food that help them in their growth and development. Finding the right balance between the indulgence and health is key. The gradual reduction approach. Imagine this scenario. Your child has developed a bit of chocolate routine, enjoying it every day after school. Suddenly telling them no more chocolates could lead them to frustration. Instead, let's approach this with a gradual reduction plan that considers your child's preferences and habits. For example, your child enjoys chocolate every day after school. You could start by reducing it to every other day. Personally, I have tried this, and my kids not only got adjusted well, but they began enjoying fruits and other snacks I offered on chocolate-free days. So do replace some chocolate snacks with healthier alternatives like fruits or nuts. And don't completely remove chocolates without explanations, as it might create frustration. Introducing delicious healthy alternatives. Let's talk alternatives. Keep colorful fruits, yogurts, nuts, and whole grain snacks readily available. When your child starts craving something sweet, you can actually offer them fruit salad, yogurt, or even a handful of trail mix. Get creative together in a kitchen and make these alternatives exciting and appealing. So, introducing nutritious alternatives is a fantastic strategy. Imagine your child's eyes lighting up when they see a colorful bowl of fruit salad waiting for them. This happened to me when I started keeping fresh fruits on the kitchen counter, and my kids started reaching for those fruits with the same enthusiasm they had for chocolates. So do keep a variety of colorful fruits, yogurts, and whole grain snacks at home and make these options visually appealing. And don't force alternatives upon your child. Instead, involve them in selecting and preparing these options. Designating special treat times. Designating special treat times can work wonders. By setting certain days or moments as chocolate friendly, you are helping your child understand that these treats are enjoyable but not an everyday thing. For instance, weekends or special celebrations can make it perfect opportunity for a chocolate treat. Special treat times can be again a game changer. Think about the weekends as chocolate times. I introduced this concept to my kids and they eagerly anticipate Saturday mornings as their chocolate day, and they are more likely to make healthier choices during the week. So set designated treat times, which can incredibly be effective. So do choose specific days or occasions for indulging in chocolate. This helps establish boundaries. And don't make treats seem like rewards for good behavior, as it can create an unhealthy emotional connection with food. Setting a healthy example. Remember, children learn by watching us. Be a superhero role model by choosing nutritious options yourself. When your child sees you reaching for fruits and veggies, they are more likely to follow you and see those choices as an exciting rather than restrictive. Being a role model works wonders. When I started opting for colorful salads during family meals, my kids, inspired by my choices, began adding more veggies to their plate and even asked to help prepare the salad. Being a positive role model is crucial, so do choose nutritious foods yourself and explain your choices to your child. Share your enjoyment of colorful salad or a tasty fruit smoothie, and don't criticize your child for chocolate cravings. Instead, encourage open conversations about food choices. Utilizing positive encouragement. Oh, the power of positive support. Whenever your child chooses a healthier snack over chocolate, shower them with praise. A simple great job picking up the colorful veggies can create a positive connection between the healthy choices and feeling good. Positive encouragement truly makes a difference. Imagine your child chooses a bowl of yogurt with berries and you cheer, "Great choice, berries are full of vitamins and that make us strong." I saw how my kids' face lit up with pride at their healthy choice. So, do praise your child when they choose a healthier snack and make it a celebration of their wise choice. And don't use food as a reward, as it might encourage the idea of chocolate is more valuable than other food. Involving your child in meal preparation. Let's turn a kitchen into a cooking adventure. Involve your child in meal preparation. Together you can create healthy versions of their favorite treats. How about making a homemade healthy chocolate? And this not only empowers them to make a healthier choices but also nurtures their creativity. Involving your child in kitchen is empowering. I began cooking with my kids. Together we created superfood muffins in the whole grain flour and with of chocolates. They felt proud of their creation and enjoyed them without feeling deprived. Involving your child in meal preparation can empower them. So plan cooking session together and let your child experiment with making healthier versions of their favorite treats. But don't pressure them to cook. Make it a fun and educational approach. Educating your child about nutrition. Education is an incredible and powerful tool. So imagine sitting down with your child and explaining how each color of fruits and vegetables brings unique benefits. You are not just talking about healthy eating, you are making it an exciting learning experience. Also tell them foods help their body grow strong and gives them energy to play and learn. Nutrition education can have a lasting impact. So do teach your child about the benefits of various foods. Explain how each food group contributes to their growth and energy levels. But don't focus only on restrictions. Instead, emphasize the positive aspects of a balanced diet. Balancing with hydration. Did you know that sometimes our body confuses thirst with hunger? Encourage your child to drink water throughout the day. Staying hydrated can actually help manage those sweet cravings. Hydration matters. Picture your child asking for chocolate and you offer a glass of water instead. You tell them our body sometimes mistakes thirst with hunger. So let's have some water first. I tried this and my kids' cravings noticeably decreased. Staying hydrated can help manage cravings. So do encourage your child to drink water throughout the day, but don't replace water with sugary drinks as it might worsen their cravings. Do check out my video on how to make your kids drink more water. The 5 tips I have mentioned in the video is super effective. Creating a positive mealtime environment. Lastly, let's talk about the mealtime atmosphere. Make meals enjoyable. Turn off screens, sit down together and have conversations. When mealtime is a time to connect, your child's focus on chocolate may naturally decrease. A positive mealtime atmosphere can make a big difference. So do create a distraction-free zone for meals, engaging in conversations and bonding. But don't use mealtime as a time to discipline or discussion about their eating habits. Remember, our goal is not to eliminate chocolates entirely, but to help our children develop healthy relationship with food. By using these tips and keeping these things in mind, we can guide them towards making smart choices by still enjoying the treats they love. I would love to hear from you. Share your experiences and thoughts on these tips. If you found these tips helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more on parenting. Also, do share this video with the fellow parents who might benefit with these tips. Your support goes a long way in helping me create content that makes a positive impact. Thanks for watching.